Jamaica, let us vote for a better Jamaica. In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour. Grab your neighbor, vote for Labour. Tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Everybody just vote for Labour. Tell them vote for Labour. That's right. Me and my neighbor voting for Labour. Tell them make we vote for Labour. In this election, tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Why? We are the government going back to Parliament. Yes, we are. Labour alone, we give our vote. Labour Party we love the most. And them alone I get the vote. Tell them again.